Hey guys, so Twitter just open sourced its code base, and it turns out there are codes which are very weird. They have clearly mentioned in one of the code where, like, if this is a democratic user or whether this is a republican user, whether this is Elon Musk or whether this is anybody else. I mean, there is a code in the Twitter code base which they just open sourced that had this categorization, and that was a shock to everybody. The Twitter engineers clarified that that's not to interfere with the algorithm, but it was actually to get metrics, statistics out of it, and it doesn't interfere with the algorithm. But I think these kind of things are possible, and since this got open sourced and we have much better idea how Twitter algorithm works, we should actually encourage other social medias to basically open source their algorithm as well, because we don't know what's happening and how they are interfering with what we are actually consuming every day. I mean, this is crazy, and I mean, Twitter is going to fix that particular part, and it's a great thing that Twitter is open sourcing its algorithm, and it's a way to democratize things. It's similar to how in India, if you say, if you are a Congress user, if you are a BJP user, if you are a CPIM user, if you are an app user, or like whatever, if that can be coded into such a public platform, that's very powerful and it can affect all of us. So I mean, when you consume something on social media and you don't know how the algorithm works, then take everything with a pinch of salt and understand that this might have been served to you. The content that you're consuming currently could be because there is some motivation behind it. Okay, I mean, I'm not saying that's happening right now, but I'm saying that could be possible, and it can be a controlled output. So I mean, now it's easy to consume whatever is there on Twitter because now the algorithm is open source, but other platforms we don't know. I'm going to dig into it more and see if there is something else that's of interesting. That's all I just want to say. Just be careful on what you're consuming every day, and just understand that it could be biased. And a lot of fake news are happening everywhere. As an intelligent human being, the only thing that you can do is to be aware of what you are getting served. Whether it's true, false, we don't know. So that will require some exploring, right? So I mean, before that, the idea is to be aware that that is possible, and everything that you see on social media is not to be taken as the whole truth. That's all I wanted to say.